Oh,
hello guys. Pokemon. This is the sister of Pokemon. This is the little brother of Pokemon. Okay, and SpongeBob and Mr. Krabs were fighting.
Evil.
I mean evil. Villain. Okay.
Dumating daw dito si
Let's start. Waya! And I am SpongeBob, the karate evil guy. Yeah!
Dapat ko din yung maliit mo. Lagyan mo lang ng dating.
Hiya!
Nakay ano na daw. Nakay Mr. Krabs. Nakay Mr. Krabs na daw. Tawag ka Bap daw. Bap tawag ka.
Yeah!
Nahirapan ka daw sa akin.
Yup! Bibita sa camera.
Dapat kasing bago ka nagpa-camera.
Di ba kita? Ako na nga eh. Di ba sinabi? Kasi yung kamay mo parang parang kiti-kiti. Kamay nana. Ay. Yeah.
Uy, masyadong mahal.
Tika.
Let's go!
Yeah! Kamay mo, tingnan, kamay mo.
Kita ang hirap.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is you, SpongeBob the Karate Evil Chop! Yeah! That's Pikachu gonna dance with me. And Jojo, Pikachu the big kid, Pikachu the sister. Pikachu! Chop around the fight. Pikachu! I want money! Easy Mr. Crocodile over there. Mr. Crab is dead.
Bak, hindi mami sa camera sa kapalita.
Yeah! Pikachu!
Tapos yun.
Then, who's the winner? Is part 2. We continued part 2. Okay, bye.